Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps required to change the air filter in your 718 Cayman base or your Cayman S.
The first step is to go ahead and remove these panels here on both sides. And then we'll remove this panel up here. Again, just a simple pull. Straight out. You'll want to make sure that you get all of the clips because they do come out as you're pulling those pieces out. All right, once you have both sides out, then you just want to take this center piece out by gently lifting up. And then carefully taking it out. At this point, you'll want to take off these trim pieces around the seat belt. And I've already started this one. It's best if you kind of start from the window and work your way in to pull this trim off. And then just let it sit here on the side. Again, make sure you pull out the clips that you may find that have been pulled off of your trim piece. Take those off and put them back on the plastic part. At this point, you'll finally be able to use some tools to take out the T30 Torx bolts on this silver piece, 2 on each side. Once you have both done, then you just lift this piece out and you're ready to take the next step. At this point, you'll want to take this center piece out. And for mine, that is very easy because it wasn't attached. Be careful of any of the little nubs that you see. Make sure that those get back onto the parts. Otherwise, you might have some rattles. To take out the carpet piece, which gets you access to the top of the engine. At this point, you can go ahead and take out the T30 bolts. That looks like there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, maybe 12, 10 or 12 bolts. And then you'll be able to take this off to get access to the top of the engine. So to remove the top of the air filter box, it's probably easiest from kneeling inside the car. You have 4 T25 bolts and 2 clips. Then you get access to the air filter. And here's the air filter. And in this case, it's not too bad. But I'm still replacing it, and I'm going to vacuum out the box here just to get all the dust and debris that's in there out. At this point, you just put the new filter in and reverse the steps, and your job is done.
And those are all the steps required to change your air filter. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.